Thank you for joining me today here at 42 West Cothes Street in Columbus, Ohio. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home. We have hardwood flooring in the living room area. The beautiful mantle and decorative fireplace. This leads us into a small hallway with closet. This door here leads to the basement. The basement does have washer and dryer. We are in the kitchen. Has a large sit-in eating area. This kitchen has been newly renovated with some great upgrades. Lots of cabinet space. To schedule a tour with us, please visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by calling us at 614-505-6212. As we made our way back into the living room, we come to the upstairs level. The first room on our right here is the master bedroom. Master bedroom does offer a ceiling fan. Again, hardwood floors. Again, this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, located in the Brewery District, also close to Schmidts German Haus. So we come back out into the hallway. Straight ahead of us, as you can see, is the bathroom, all newly upgraded with ceramic tiling, new wood vanity. And again, you can schedule a tour with us today by going online at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by giving us a call at 614-505-6212. Next to the bathroom is the second bedroom. This is the smaller of the 2 rooms. This room does have a deep closet. And this does conduct our tour today. Please visit us at www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com or by giving us a call at 614-505-6212. I thank you for taking this tour with me today, and we look forward to hearing from you.